An engine cabin air filter improves air quality, traps contaminants, and protects HVAC performance. Today's video is about top 5 best engine cabin air filter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at K&N Engine Cabin Air Filter. The K&N Engine Air Filter is an excellent upgrade for drivers looking to improve both performance and long-term value. Designed with advanced filter media, it helps increase airflow to the engine, which can contribute to improved horsepower, acceleration, and overall engine responsiveness. Its premium construction stands out immediately. The multi-layer cotton gauze design, treated with a specialized tacking agent, effectively captures dirt and harmful contaminants while maintaining strong airflow. The durable materials are built for long-term use, making it a reliable replacement for standard disposable filters. One of the biggest advantages is its washable and reusable design. Under normal driving conditions, it only requires cleaning about every 75,000 miles, reducing maintenance costs and minimizing waste. This makes it both economical and environmentally friendly. Installation is simple since the filter arrives pre-treated and ready to fit directly into the factory airbox without modifications. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty and proudly made in the USA, this air filter offers a great combination of performance, durability, convenience, and long-term savings. Now our second product is Citumo Engine Cabin Air Filter. This engine and cabin air filter set is a great maintenance upgrade for compatible Honda and Acura vehicles. Designed specifically for select 2022 to 2025 Acura MDX 3.5L, 2023 to 2025 Honda Pilot 3.5L, and 2025 Honda Passport 3.5L models, it offers a precise fit and hassle-free replacement experience. The cabin air filter stands out with its activated carbon design, which helps capture dust, pollen, and other airborne particles while also reducing unwanted odors. The result is noticeably cleaner and fresher air inside the vehicle, improving overall driving comfort for both drivers and passengers. The engine air filter is equally impressive, providing a good balance between airflow and filtration. It effectively traps dirt and debris before they reach the engine, helping maintain performance, fuel efficiency, and long-term engine protection. Installation is straightforward, especially with the included reference part numbers for verification. Overall, this filter kit delivers excellent value by improving both cabin air quality and engine protection, making it a smart choice for routine vehicle maintenance. Our third product is Bosch Engine Cabin Air Filter. The Bosch HEPA Premium Cabin Air Filter is an outstanding choice for drivers who prioritize clean, healthy air inside their vehicle. Built and tested to meet HEPA standards, it delivers an impressive 99.97% filtration efficiency for particles as small as 0.3 microns, helping block dust, pollen, allergens, and other airborne contaminants before they enter the cabin. Its advanced design combines a melt-blown electrostatic layer with dense filtration media, providing excellent particle trapping capability while maintaining reliable airflow. An additional static cotton layer further increases filtration capacity, making the filter effective even in demanding driving conditions. The structural ribs add durability and stability, helping the filter maintain its shape and performance throughout its service life. Unlike some filters that rely on chemical odor neutralizers, this Bosch filter focuses on delivering genuinely cleaner air without introducing additional scents. Installation is straightforward, and regular replacement every 12 months or 12,000 miles helps ensure optimal performance. Overall, this is a premium cabin air filter that offers exceptional air quality, strong filtration efficiency, and dependable long-term protection for drivers and passengers alike. Now number 4, Forccord Engine Cabin Air Filter. This air filter combo is an excellent maintenance package for compatible Acura MDX, Honda Pilot, and Honda Passport models. Including both an engine air filter and a cabin air filter, it offers a convenient way to improve vehicle performance while maintaining cleaner cabin air. The standout feature is the advanced HV filter media, which is designed to capture up to 99.9% of common contaminants such as dust, fine particles, hair, and debris. This helps protect the engine from harmful particles while supporting efficient airflow and smooth performance. The cabin air filter does a great job of improving interior air quality by reducing airborne pollutants and helping the HVAC system operate more effectively. With a service life of up to 20,000 miles, both filters last longer than many standard alternatives, reducing replacement frequency and maintenance costs. Installation is straightforward, and the included compatibility references make it easy to confirm fitment. Overall, this filter set delivers reliable filtration, extended durability, cleaner air, and solid value, making it a smart choice for routine vehicle maintenance. And our last choice is K&N Engine Cabin Air Filter. The K&N Washable Cabin Air Filter is a practical upgrade for drivers looking for long-term performance and value. Unlike disposable filters that require frequent replacement, this reusable filter is designed to last for the life of your vehicle, helping reduce maintenance costs over time. One of its biggest benefits is improved airflow, which can enhance your vehicle's heating and air conditioning efficiency. The filter is also specially treated to help control unwanted odors, reducing the musty smells that often develop when standard cabin filters become dirty. Installation is quick and simple. The filter arrives pre-treated and ready to install directly into the factory housing, with most installations taking only a few minutes and requiring no tools. Its washable and reusable design makes it an environmentally friendly choice by reducing the waste created by disposable filters. Backed by a lifetime limited warranty, this filter delivers dependable performance, cleaner cabin air, and excellent long-term value. Overall, it's a smart investment for anyone seeking convenience, durability, and sustainability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.